We like to feed the birds before we go in there. And usually we get some kind of bread. They're eating sunbeam this time. So, I still want to know what those... Yeah, I know the crows, but what's that bird? See that one right in the middle? What kind of bird is that? I know there's a thought in my head, but I'm not sure. Oh, that one looks poor. In poor health. Once in a while I'll see one that's missing a leg. It's so sad. But I think somebody comes out here sometimes with regular bird feed and feeds them bird feed too. So, do you think we mean business? Adam bought this so we could feed the wild birds. Yeah, you know, like the crows that we've been feeding. I'll show some where we just fed them some bread recently.